YouTube. What's really good? I know it's been a minute, but your boy been busy, man. I'm in school. I work part-time, so I mean I've been busy. But anyway, as y'all see from the title, I'm about to get that resonator deleted. Feel me? I've been riding around with the little muffler deleted. It's been good. Now I mean, got some sound tests so y'all can see how it sound now before I get the resonator deleted. Let's see what's goody. Y'all already know, man. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Make sure y'all subscribe, man. I need y'all to subscribe. Y'all be watching the videos, but y'all don't be hitting that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button for your boy, you feel me? I'm gonna give y'all this sound test though. That's the spot up here, my muffler, my resonator delete. They did my muffler delete too. Shout out to them. Y'all in the Newburgh area, y'all can come there and fuck with them. Tell them Rugby sent you. You don't know who it is already, you feel me? Let me give y'all this sound test real quick. Resonator right here. I just found out my car had 3 mufflers. I already did the regular muffler delete. We got about to get rid of that shit. Y'all already know him. He did the muffler delete for me. So y'all already know what time it is. So once we get rid of this shit, hopefully this shit'll be louder. We'll see. I'll holler at y'all in a second. Resonator, shit is over. Bye-bye. Next is the cats. I gotta find a gutted cat though. I can't just cut that shit off. I gotta find a gutted cat, right?
Yeah.
Come on, that's next.
You get the high performance cat too.
That's what I'm gonna have to do that because I need it for my O2 sensor, right?
Yes.
If I cut that shit off by itself, it's gonna throw a light, right?
It's gonna throw a light. Because this one, the real one, usually don't come with an oxygen sensor.
Yeah, that's why I don't
Then
know.
you can cut it off, but this one has it.
I don't know why that's weird to me. Yeah, I'm back. So yeah, I got it done, y'all. Let's see if we can hear the difference or not. Can't explain it, but it's like a gurgle now. And thank God it don't sound obnoxious, but I like it, man. Once again, they did a good job, man. Cheap too, only paid $60 to get the resonator deleted. That probably would have been like another $100 if I don't went anywhere. But remember that other guy was talking crazy at mining key, they was bugging. But I'm satisfied with it as I was before. Y'all need your muffler deleted, anything, go to them. My man with the white Corvette went to them too. We about to have another video coming soon, cause I got something crazy to tell y'all. I ain't gonna tell y'all till we do that video. I gotta show y'all the rims and all that, man. That joint sound good. Been working out, losing weight and all that. Y'all see the drip, man. Y'all already know though. But yeah, man. About to show y'all how my rims look now. Car's coming along, man. I'm trying to get it together and all that. I still gotta paint my wing. I could paint my wing myself, man. I be procrastinating. I'm painting my rims myself. I don't know what color I want to paint the wing though. I think I'm gonna paint it the same red I painted my rims. But I'm gonna let y'all see it, man. Yeah, man, that was a little quick B-roll of the whip and all that. About to get back on my bullshit on this YouTube, excuse my language. Start getting back on it, feel me? Took a little break. You know, this is finish my first class of school and all that, but now I'm about to go into grind mode for the rest of the summer. The winter, you already know, I'm gonna try to bring as much content. The winter, I'm gonna try to do as much things in my car as I can, but next, probably after I paint the wing, it's that cold air intake, or I'm gonna get some wheel spaces. I don't know yet, but you gonna fix it up, man. First, I was like, F this car and all that, but I wanted to be something. I gotta put some money into it and put some time into it. Now that I got my tools from school, I don't got no excuse, you feel me? Now that I'm learning in school too, I don't got no excuse either, but y'all already know, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all subscribe, man. Hit that button. Y'all see that button right there? Y'all see that? Hit that button, man. Subscribe, man, so I keep bringing y'all this content and all that, man. But I'm gonna throw up another video of some old car meet footage that I got and all that. But y'all already know, man. Stay sucker free, stay motivated, and keep your ambition. Know what I mean? Oh yeah, I forgot to tell y'all. I do the decals for the cars, and I do custom t-shirts. So y'all want a custom t-shirt or a car decal, or y'all want to support the movement and cop some merch, holla at me, man. Go on my Instagram. It's my Instagram right here. Go on my Instagram and hit my DM. Let me know what's up, man. Y'all already know I'm out of here, man. Stay sucker free.